Welcome to Steelworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is the channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. So what are we doing today? Well, let's see. We've done limoncello, limecello, grapefruitcello. Hey, orange-cello has to be next. Okay, so it's basically the same recipe, and like I did say in the past, that we're only making half recipes because this is a lot of cello. So we're only making half recipes. I will put the full recipe down in the description box. And what else? Oh, I know what else. Hey, if you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button down there. That's the way that YouTube recognizes us creators. It helps us out a lot. And okay, well, let's get started. Okay, so I can't say it enough. Make sure you wash your fruit. Let's start the peeling. Alright? And we're going to try to keep the I have to trim a little pith off there, but see how nice that is? That's going to bring out a lot of nice flavors. So take your time, don't be in a hurry. Okay. I got a lot of fruit to eat. Okay, let me get these other oranges peeled and trim. And there's a little spot on there. I'll take a knife and try to get some of that off. Let me get that cleaned up, and we'll be back. All right, we'll get our orange peel put in the jar here. That seems like a lot of orange peel, but that's okay. That was 4 oranges. I probably got away with 3, but won't hurt nothing. Won't hurt nothing. And we'll go put in 375. I might boost them all up to 4 because of the volume. I think that's what I'll end up doing. He's turning orange already. Okay, so we got our 190 in there. 189, but it's 190. I call it 190. Like before, we will wait almost a week or so, and we'll move on to the next step. Okay, that's number 4. We got one more. What's tomorrow? Anybody got an idea? Any clues? Okay. We'll find out. So, let me, we'll wait a week and we'll get to the next step. Welcome back to Steelworks and Brewing. What we're going to do today is our orange-cello. Look at that. That is pretty amazing color there. Okay. And like I said before, we did half batches. Let's pour this straight out the, oh, look at that. That's a fantastic color. I think this might be a pretty darn good cello. Yeah, see that? Wow. It did not. There was more color in that peel though, huh? But it sure did get the color in there. Okay. And as like the other ones, we're going to pour in our simple sugar. Look at that. That looks like a perfect cello. All right. I can't wait to taste these. It's going to be pretty damn fantastic. Okay. That's our orange cello. We got one left. Okay?